Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in electrical engineering. Focus on mastering core mathematics and physics concepts, as they are the bedrock of electrical engineering. Dive deep into circuit analysis, electromagnetism, and digital logic. Consistent practice with a wide range of problems, from simple to complex, will solidify your understanding and build confidence. Theory is crucial, but practical application brings concepts to life. Actively participate in lab sessions and personal projects. Get comfortable with industry-standard simulation software, such as SPICE, to model and test circuits virtually. Also, learn to operate essential test equipment like oscilloscopes and multimeters. This practical experience is invaluable for real-world problem solving. Electrical engineering is vast, so explore different specializations like power systems, electronics, or control systems. Identify areas that genuinely interest you. The field evolves rapidly, so commit to continuous learning by reading journals and attending workshops. Pursuing advanced degrees or professional certifications can significantly enhance your career prospects and deepen your expertise. Building a professional network is vital. Connect with classmates, professors, and professionals in the field. These relationships can open doors. Actively seek internships to gain practical experience and understand industry demands. Beyond technical skills, cultivate strong communication and teamwork abilities. These soft skills are highly valued and essential for success in any engineering role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.